this video, we will see how the admin can configure the payment methods for the vendor and how vendor can configure those payment methods from the WCFM dashboard. First of all, let's check how the admin can enable payment methods for vendor. Log into the admin dashboard, then click on the Marketplace menu. It will open the WCFM dashboard for admin. Now go to the Settings menu and click on the Payment Settings. It will open the list of the payment methods. From here, admin can enable the payment methods for vendor. Admin can enable any payment methods as per the requirement. Let's enable the PayPal payment method. When admin enable this payment method, it will display the other two fields for PayPal client ID and PayPal secret key. Admin can find out this information by logging to the PayPal Sandbox account. Log into the PayPal Sandbox account and then click on the Apps and Credentials menu. From here, admin can get the PayPal client ID and secret key of their account. Enter this information here and click on the Save Changes. Next, let's enable the Stripe payment method. When you enable it, it will display the other three fields for Stripe client ID, Stripe publish key and secret key. Admin needs to configure this information for the Stripe account. Log into the admin Stripe account and then click on the developer menu and click on the API keys. Admin can copy the publish key and secret key from here and paste them here. Now let's configure the Stripe client ID. Open the Stripe dashboard, then go to Settings menu and then click Connect Settings. Admin can find the client ID under the Integration section. Admin can copy the client ID from here and paste it here. The Stripe and PayPal payment methods are configured properly. There are also other payment methods available like Skrill, bank transfer, cash pay, Wirecard and Stripe split pay. Admin can configure it as per the requirement. Now let's enable the Stripe split pay payment method. if admin has already configured the Stripe payment method, then admin does not require any other information, because the information which we have configured for the Stripe payment method, like Stripe client ID, Stripe publish key and secret key, the same information will be used for the Stripe split pay. Now let's see what is the difference between Stripe and Stripe split pay. When the Stripe payment method is enabled, the payment process is that winner places an order, makes the payment, and all amount goes to the admin. After that, vendor has to manually send the withdrawal request to the admin. When the admin approves the request, after that, vendor gets the remaining payment according to the commission settings. When the Stripe split pay payment method is enabled, the payment process is that the winner places an order, makes the payment, and the amount is automatically distributed between the admin and vendor according to the commission setting. So when the Stripe split pay payment method is configured, the payment is automatically goes to the vendor without sending any withdrawal request. If admin has a requirement of the manual withdrawal for vendor, then admin needs to enable the Stripe payment method. And if admin has a requirement of the auto withdrawal for vendor, then admin needs to enable the Stripe split pay payment method. Now admin needs to set the redirect URL to the Stripe account. Copy the URL from here. Log in to the Stripe dashboard. Then go to Settings menu. And then click Connect Settings. Admin can set the redirect URL from here. Enter the redirect URL here and click this button. Now let's configure the payment methods from the vendor side. Login or register to the admin site as a vendor and open the WCFM vendor dashboard. Now click on the Settings menu and then click on the Payment. Here is the drop down for the payment methods. It displays all the payment methods which are enabled by the admin from the WCFM admin dashboard. You can see that there are two payment methods available. First is the PayPal and the second is the Stripe. If vendors select the PayPal payment method, then vendor has to add the PayPal email ID of their account. If vendors select the Stripe payment method, then vendor has to configure the Stripe account by clicking this button, Connect with Stripe. When you click the Connect with Stripe button, it will start the process of connecting the Stripe account. I am showing the process of connecting the Stripe test account for testing purpose. Vendors can connect their live accounts with the same process. First step is to set up the payment. Email ID is not needed in the test mode. So enter the mobile number here and click Continue button. Next step is for business information. Vendor has to choose the country and type of business from this drop down and click Continue button. Next step is to verify your personal details. Vendor has to enter the personal details like name, email ID, birth date, complete address, phone number and click Continue button. Next step is to select an account for payout. Here vendor has to add the bank account details or debit card. Currently the test mode is unable, so click on the Use Test Card. Next step is ID verification. The vendor has to upload the ID proof here with any one option. Let's click on the test document. All the details are filled up. Now click on the Agree and Submit button. You can see that the Stripe account is connected successfully. In this way, vendor can configure the payment methods for the third-party users. In the next video, we will see how admin can take commission from the vendor.